Getting a new backyard. There's all the grass over there in the pallet. Here's the little wagon. There's the wife. Say hi, Kelly. Colton. Got him working. As you can see, getting this thing laid. Nearly done. Good job, Kelly. Good job. That a girl. Pack it in tight. Make sure it fits right in that spot. Let's get moving, Colton. Reece, get in there and help out, big boy. He's our, yeah, a little further down where mommy is, Reece.
Oh, there's someone right there.
That's fine. Hey Joe, come grab this camera for just a second. Just for a second and turn it back on me. This is the deal. This is how it works. Chill, have a glass of water, wipe, kids, put the yard in. Let me know if you agree or disagree. I like it.